In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a video in Canva. If you've added a video to your design and want to remove its original sound, for example, to add background music or a voiceover, this quick method will get it done cleanly and without affecting the rest of your project. Start by opening the project that contains your video. If your design has multiple pages, navigate to the specific page where the video sits so you're working in the right spot. Once you're there, click directly on the video to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and resize handles around the clip. Selection matters because the controls you need only appear when the video is actively selected. With the video selected, look toward the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. This bar changes based on what you've clicked. And for videos, it includes options like trimming and, most importantly for us, volume. Find the speaker or sound icon in that toolbar and click it. This opens a small volume control panel tied to the video clip you selected. You now have two simple ways to mute. The first is to click the speaker icon in that panel again, which toggles mute on and off. When it's muted, you'll usually see a crossed out speaker to confirm the change. The second way is to drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. Functionally, both options do the same thing. They silence the audio embedded in that specific video clip. A quick tip on what this affects. Muting the clip only silences the original audio that came with that video. If you've added background music or a separate narration track to your design, those will continue to play, which is exactly what you want in most edits. If you have multiple video clips on the same page, repeat this mute action on any clip you want silent, since the setting applies per clip. To double-check your result, hit play in the editor and watch that section. You should see the video run smoothly with no sound from the clip itself. If you still hear audio, make sure you selected the correct video and that the volume slider shows 0 or the icon shows muted. And that's it. Open your project, go to the page with your video, select the clip, click the sound icon, and either toggle mute or drag the slider to 0. You've successfully muted your video in Canva.